what to what school?
Me school there, me school there, me school there.
Juana.
Come me not a share school for sister anymore. A school from camp.
It's got for Ghana school.
A school from camp. Wallahi tell me country.
Ah. We be streaming. So una wo can say
that's why it's so school you be animu no.
Ana hinabio.
Ajaku. Kokumanu. Leren. I want to it's also for Captain. Because also me chuma ana school bono. Oshe like omo school do china. Omo kwa somebody we say be omo school no. What are they? Because come say for come omo school do professors be say under despite that no me school dey
school dey work to
me them will take us about 10 trillion okra school for.
Anyway, it's say na o nkwala mo bu nkwala no agigi omani no.
So what you say obi to be go school no work under the person anya bone e wiase de bia beka ye woni pa bi of financial freedom they open on abrabo mu bia otumi ye but when you businessman akra bi oye bia no or choppy under 8 the oye bia la minimum kofu bri mutumi nya ne din mo kese say despite me obebo mu deal but they are also feeling good in life how many are educated they kofu we mo school one say obo doctor despite e dey also am doctor police upon because on landed and kasa was seeing do no so wosika say what you say was so many rich people almost go school and na school no so mu use o ma dwere ye so ma didinti sanate because and they say bit ma twero ka tabia ma pipe mu kura na wo be hin obi ono so akọ school amana chire mu say na be ya obeti ase tells you say education is very important me obi an adult ye can say school anya say kura o obi want me we university but no ye na adwe so pesa ba me fa na adwuma I said pa we need come no can say school o no nim di o kan wakobi then me tie sabe wan kom bia sabe ye twira de agu a betima kan kura ate ase tabi ye okrofo ebre no o mo chance akomo ye adwuma bi on be ye but since one fan education serious until want to me because editing kura chire no to me ye ontumi use computer bro memo bia discourage education forget to be bia because those rich people now bo mudi no munya sika wi a omo pe sikafo omo pe omo akosko omo ye good as their managers as their personal assistants am omo abo omo timi hu no ma ba ko mienu miensa bia dem I need to tell you say education is very important ye be kwa fiasa to answer me so ben on it is asem we emra
enye se sikafo asem ye onipa bi wo ha kakra wanya na ekita na wa franco fo se o munya adwuma kora ma no o kasa ho asebi sebi wo be kasa o kasa aboa
especially na be se gbe na e da na mo na enye smo
me ba wo no kasa bi che mo se ba bi ani my bi ne friend Billy boy ba bi ani o si aso dan ma asolefo eto obas e ka homo Billy boy why dey wawu e ye be ne nye otumfo the first kura wote so ukuro mo hene
omo kira de pa minim that man Billy boy yes ye nim ni 101 kura na I think say be in history way back 2006 muho the bisa no wosika no contractor no wosika osi hotel bi wa Accra hotel di Joko na one of the leading hotel in West Africa forget it lesika wo ho otimi ginam ni namfa akonto cash eto aso be de ho eti o kira de educate ye de afa no ma bi se na be sua de so what you say at that time now kikan sikafo a that time na despite money Ibrahim ama mo edu da bi no mo mai no mo nka ho kra no mo akire ho o me na no mo yesikafo okuruma what you say but no mo we no ne nsem o person need
ono ne first person when you okuruma ko nyana
you kwanta no ba
wo fa wodi wo fa wodi u fi abusua pani no me ba che obusa ne se on na to abusua pani otoso sen bisa no ye wesikafo bebriwa ye friend adaka class mo mu skacha despite mo eno mo wen o mo so se de sitie se wo ska ana mo bibi kakra bia mu nu en friend aboa o ewi asempani fosi nipa enam ede but ya nipa
ewi ase aba oni ska de ada wa
ya ska kakra kuta o kasa mo ya bambo aso abada
ska ti se dwante na ambo
ye obi wo ha wanya post bi kakra bi mpo o ni panyina san kwasi posisi kakra bi a wanya mo na mo shara sina akobe ya na ka munyina mo ya masa enu ti na emere wa papra kwa ho yezum lion no abrewa bi akopra kwa 3 years ni entua ne ka no ebi no Ghana no oman no de nti enye no di obenya post bia se
oman no nyaye
mo wo se na se na o di post serious mu nyina mo ya mo aden na bia ni pa so se wo ye ya awade wo
osum enti na abafo mo ko oman no nyaye no broni na ba bi gina opese ni nyanso be duru ama bre no ono na bre no so ati
aden
ana be bia
ni pa ni nya bia obi o wa kaso no be kan ko be ma abafo kra ba wa kaso mo ya chew despite omo me despite adwuma despite ntimi nkase ye nwia ne da wo ye den adwuma ne ye de befo ba bi eye saa na nyame aye wo enkofo be di hu na ase hu ha wa be si nipa ye de akasa enu anu no aden enti kan se enti otumfo ye na Asante ni tuwe ena na hemfo so ma for gimi ko sebi fa kwase akwa enti go hin oni bi ani be ji so ba kwata ye na Asante ni nje
skani ko ga mai mo asisi a onya ni pakwa ma ne meni bi na me ka senti
na ma eni pa no ka senti
na jima se nyo bi ka ne ka senti
ya tiwe mimi tiwe menya carpenter ni o sami ya driver ni a carpenter ni ya master eti ni kwa sa ma nyeska e wa drive ni me ko fa carpenter ni me ko di na tam onya sa na ya adwuma
nanga
wate ye woni ba wa bi adwuma ma agu ono ani subanti ena na adwuma aguo kasa keke ka chine ukono obi madam fo yo mpamade no mo ye tire ene sankofo ukono obi kasa na asa aboa sanet bibini na post ama na se ni se bi munya mo ya no na ama man we no ya kwan ni ya bibi asa no eno so kan ho ba sanet
so ma wo chiro na abeso mu
na da bi o nti wo se ni ba wo ye na wo nchire bo edu se ni ba sa de na wo ye nti wo so be sikani betimo kotua bribe wo hia ni nwa me ya chi na tu e wo asase ho no ya ni stroke o ba ni onim so wo be wu me se me ti o mu asase na ase me mfa ni nyina ma wa me ka se fa ne fadi me papa bi na kai wo se fa ye che ne fa he ensase nkofo ko me ni hu nipa wa kum nipa akwaji ska wo ya aboa enipa wa kum nipa e wo asase wo ni nyansa sem wo skanti matwema so me di age
buwa wati me mo ska
asase wa ne dia no se wo
o beti me mo bi da adwuma
asase so o me se we wo de wuwa sika re man obi amfa man so ametake sika no wuwa de mfa so wadaka ho na fa ko yes aden entreri awudie bebrebe akoso awomina bepese mbisa se why na agi sika duro watena wiase edi 700 years da
we dey anoko
na tusala ko nyaase me o tambia o ya na me ka se nipa se wuni mu nyansa de ubedie ba bia beda enya asem ana yale a de odi ba ya ho ka ho anyensa enya asem ana se yale a anka susu kan kan fa so ni so o tusu ayeden said ya beka class coin sa na papa ko kotin no time so abeko despite beko obi a dangote Nigeria dangote o wo skate obi a Nigeria no time so a asemba na papa na kan wo se amachi wonya fa ba gni sika ni mu a wo do pass wo to nsu aba ye be twen ka na etu a wotim bi wo ye den ye ma so ye de wo ko eni pan hi de wa be sika se enu a so wo to bi e hu enu a
performance ba go performance
se wo
omaya ade papa omo se bo mo de my no message no mo pass ni nyina no is about ahomaso. It's about how akrofo si efa so eya ahomaso. Ono office ba bia wadu ni de obi a man side. Ai ono ye superman. Ono ye asumasi, ono ye kan kabi, ono ye we eno mo chere mu se da bia wasa obra kwasi irrespective with ba bia wadu. Ye wo de da account mu eni sika wanya na Asantewaah na yesi ayorokwase no. Now we say Asantewaah duonum receive a heartbreaking news. Now heartbreaking about what? Omayichi nsem emre. Popular Ghanaian media personality and Guinness World Record hopeful. Asantewaah duonum is heartbreaking as she mourns the death of a close friend. Now according to Ono, Afua shared the side news on her official Facebook page on Thursday, 17th April 2025, where she posted a touching message that has left many on her fans emotional. She wrote, "Ama, come back. Let's face the wardrobe, please. okay, wait, come, let's celebrate the good news, and then you can leave. Please, Ama, oh God. Ama, oh God. And opposed to this picture of this beautiful lady. Ama, come back. Let's face this wardrobe, please. Okay, wait to come and let's celebrate this good news, and then you can leave. Ama, oh God. I know the TF emojis. Any this kind of pictures. And the go home and be Fanny Aquado. So now, this way shows the pain she's going through. What I say, it seems Afua was hoping her friend Ama would stay alive long enough to hear the good news from Guinness World Record about her second singing marathon attempt. She wanted them to celebrate together before saying goodbye. Unfortunately, Ama passed away too soon. Afua Asantewaah became famous in December 2023 after she attempted to break the Guinness World Record for the longest singing marathon. She sang for 126 hours and 52 minutes, beating the previous record of 105 hours. Sadly, her first attempt was disqualified by Guinness World Record due to some rules of variations. She made the second attempt in December 2024 at Heroes Park in Kumasi and sang for 121 hours, 39 minutes. Ghanaians are still waiting to hear from Guinness World Record about whether she has officially broken the record. So, this side news about her friend death comes at a difficult time. Afua has been a strong and inspiring woman. Not just for her singing efforts, but also as the CEO of Ask Off Productions, the company behind big events like the Ghana Outstanding Women Awards. Many fans and supporters are sending her love and prayers in this hard time. May her friend Ama rest in peace. And then come on, Monsieur DFA. Sad seminary, I will cross my 2 year ban, drop with that wardrobe. And the car was almost so yeah, money at the idea. Offending you answer come run on fix and I go back, but we are saying unto me and determine me how I could be able to was Express JTV soon. Over subscribe, like, share, turn on the notification bell. You will share your crowd. Bye bye.